A convenient feature in Windows Vista Higher editions, such as this one here, which is Windows Ultimate, is the remote desktop connection. And we can get to that by going to Start and Control Panel, System, and selecting the System option. Now, System option gives you basic information about your computer, but you'll notice if you look over here to the left, you have a link for Remote Settings. And the System's Properties dialog box opens up. And we're automatically on the Remote tab. Allow Remote Assistance is already selected in here. The convenience of the remote access is this. Let's say you're at home and you want to work as if you were working on your PC at the office. By being remotely connected to that computer, you can work just as if you were looking at your PC right now. So my home computer would look exactly like my work computer. It would be as if I was sitting there in front of it working on it. Terribly convenient. Now, in order for this to work, they do have to be on the same network or have internet availability. Of course, both PCs must be on. And again, this feature will only work with the higher level versions of Vista. It won't work with the basic home editions of Vista, and it will not work with Windows XP either. So here, if I look at my remote desktop options, I currently have Don't Allow Connections from this computer selected. Now, unless I'm actually planning on using this now, I tend to keep this one selected rather than the other options since they're less secure. You leave yourself a little more open when you're allowing others to connect to your computer. But you can decide to select specific users that you can connect only with these people. And you can list the names of the computers, or you can list an IP address if you know the IP address. You just click on Add and enter the information in here. We'll just hit Cancel for now, and we'll hit Cancel here again. Now, if you're still not quite sure which option you'd like to choose, notice that Vista does give you a Help Me Choose link, and if we select it, you get a bit more explanation as to how these things work. So I'm going to close these windows for the moment. Now let's say I want to go ahead and open my remote desktop. I can go to Start, and I could look through the menus if I wanted to find it, or I can take the little shortcut and click on the search box in the Start menu and just type Remote Desktop, and you can see here it is. And the dialog box opens up. And you click on the drop-down menu, and you would just select from the computers that you have set up that you would like to be able to remotely connect to.